So I went to college at Valparaiso University in Indiana. When I came back to New Orleans, I worked as an attorney for a law firm that did a lot of real estate work for the 3rd District Homestead that was became Southern Savings Association, and was basically a homestead that developed in the 9th Ward. It became one of the biggest homesteads in the city. So I worked there a few years, and then I worked for an Italian firm, Graffinino, Perez and Roberts, out in Metairie that did a lot of criminal work for a few years in the 70s. Then I went to the West Bank in the mid-70s. And my reason for doing that was because I was a personal injury lawyer. And the cases on the West Bank usually involved offshore injuries. They had to do with oil rig accidents, oil platform accidents, river traffic, guys getting hurt on the river. So I was keeping this to economics. I was basically there in the late 70s and the early 80s. And we all asked the question, well, what's happened to New Orleans, and why is the economy in New Orleans not as big comparatively to other cities, Atlanta, Dallas, Houston. And I think about that very often, because I didn't expect New Orleans to be a city with 370,000 people in it. And when I was a kid, it was 480,000, and Metairie was the same, and Chalmette was 300,000, and you basically had a very vibrant economy in the late 70s, early 80s here. This was a good place to be.